You're live in Insta.
Hello folks, welcome. If you are there in today's live, please let us know. By giving us your hearts, your likes. Today we are going to show you a beautiful collection of saris for Mother's Day, and we have brought to you special saris of silk cotton varieties. They all are premium silk cotton saris, which is like 60% of silk and 40% of cotton mix. So they are in the best of colors and best of designs.
Kalei says hi.
Hi Kalei, welcome. Welcome to our live. I hope you guys are all safe and sound. Please stay indoors to the maximum and spend your time watching something, watching movie, or spending time with your family. I think that is more important than stepping out of the house. So be safe, all of you.
Sukrita says hi, Joanna.
Hi Sukrita, long time Sukrita.
Preeti says hi.
Hi Preeti.
Priyadarshini says Semma sari.
Thank you Priyadarshini. So it is a very simple sari what I'm wearing. It was shown in our I think 2 months back in our chiffon series or semi chiffon series. The price of the sari that I'm wearing is 890, but on account of Mother's Day we are giving 100 rupees discount on this sari, so it is 790. So if anybody wants to purchase, you can let me know. The saris that I'm going to show you today, they do not have any offers. I'm going to tell you the rates and they're available at the same rates, okay? And we have one special sari which is on offer, and I'll be showing at the end of the live. It's a silk sari, and we have a mother-daughter combo, like we have 2 pieces in that same silk sari. So if anybody wants to use the offer, you can use the offer and buy.
Preeti says your sari is very beautiful.
Thank
Is
you.
it available?
Yeah, that's what I just mentioned, Preeti. It is available. Actual price of the sari is 890. Mother's Day offer is 790. You can book. You can just message us on our WhatsApp number 7676025364. All the saris that I'm going to show you today will be uploaded very shortly after the live. It is all photographed and kept ready. We only have to just clear them from the draft section and put it live on the website. So just wait for half an hour and they will be live. But meanwhile, if you would like to book, you can message us on a WhatsApp number.
Spurti says hello.
Hi Spurti, hope you're doing good. Yes, so shall we start?
Arushi says love your sari.
Thank you Arushi.
Spurti says why you're looking so dull today.
Is it? No, I had 2 dosas. I filled my stomach and I'm very happy soul standing before you. Probably maybe little of makeup. So shall we start? Yeah. Okay. So as I told you, I have brought to you some silk cotton saris and a few ikat saris. Very beautiful ikat collection, and this is priced at 4350. All of them the premium silk cotton range, as I told you, 60 to 40%, 60% silk and 40% cotton.
Rupa says hi.
Hi Rupa, welcome.
Akshaya says looking beautiful.
Thank you Akshaya.
Anjali says hi.
Hi Anjali. So it's a yellow shade with a purple shade border. It's a very beautiful ikat sari. That's the pallu. All bright colors. Whatever we have brought to you is all bright colors. That's the blouse. Okay. All of these saris have a very subtle shine. Okay. And all of these are pure handloom. Okay. They are all handloom saris. The next one is priced at 3,300.
Sukrita says beauty.
Thank you Sukrita. Sukrita. Sukrita, whenever I think about Sukrita, I always remember that silver grey sari, which a picture what you sent to me, right? So I love that sari. I love that on you. So this one is in a red with a very simple border and temple designs in thread work and no zari, fully thread work. Okay, that's the pallu. 1 minute, Laura. That's the blouse. Yeah.
Sahiti Anumala says, hello, I love your collection.
Hi, thank you.
Preeti says, hi, looking pretty.
Thank you, Preeti. Please
Samya
keep supporting
says-
us, guys. Thank you so much.
Samya says, wow.
Thank you.
Shanti auntie says, such a beautiful color on the sari.
Yeah, I think she meant the ikat. She always loves the ikat ones. Okay, so this one is in a red. As I told you, it's priced at 3,300. A very simple sari with thread work. Okay, thread woven motifs. People who do not like zari work, I think you should go for this. It is one rich and one royal kind of a sari.
Shobha says, beautiful sari.
Thank you.
What material is this?
All of them are silk cottons. So the one that I'm showing you is a dual toned sari. It is slightly orange and slight orange and yellowish sort of a
Yellow ochre?
color. Yeah, like a mustard yellow and an orange together. So it's a very beautiful color shade with a purple color border on both sides. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. Okay, price of the sari is 4350. 4350 is the price. The next one is one more super combination. This one is priced at 4650. Okay, it's a red and a green color. And whatever I'm showing you is all these belong to the premium silk cotton varieties. So it's a beautiful sari, as you can see. Red and a green. That's the pallu. That's the blouse.
Shanti auntie says, wow, such a gorgeous combo. Love this.
Thank you, Shanti. The next one is priced at 4650 again.
Jay Lakshmi says, hi ma'am, loving this red and green combo.
Thank you, Jayalakshmi. So this is another pretty combo. It's in a blue and a royal blue shade.
Can you repeat the price?
This one is at 4650. The previous one also 4650. Okay, it's a beautiful color combo with, it's a blue with a royal blue on both sides. Comes with a it's a blue and a purple shade. That's the shade and that's the blouse. 4650 is the price. The next one, 4350 is the price. It's a beautiful color. It's a green and a purple. Very lightweight saris. Okay, they'll be very easy to carry through the whole day. And handlooms, right? So you will know the quality of the saris. That's the pallu. That's the blouse.
Sumati says, hi Joe, I joined the live today after a long time.
Oh, hi Sumati, welcome. 4350. Please don't miss us. Turn on the notifications so that you get to know when we post a live or when we post something new.
Sneha says, wow, this one is beautiful.
I know, that one is very pretty, the color combo. Okay, so now this one is at 3950, 3950.
Sumati also says, I love the sari that you're wearing.
Okay, thank you. So this one's in a very rare combo, like a red and a white shade.
Archana says, super color.
Thank you, Archana. So that's the border, pallu, maroon pallu, and that's the blouse.
Devi says this looks super gorgeous and beautiful combination.
Thank you, Devi. So people who would like to book all the sarees that what we are showing you, please you can message us on our WhatsApp number 7676025364.
Shobha says awesome collection.
Thank you, Shobha.
Can you tell the price of the saree that you're wearing?
790. Okay, so this one is priced at 3,300. The one I'm showing you, it's in a it's sort of a wine shade. 3,300 is the price, and it comes with temple motifs in thread work. Okay, we had shown one more sari like this before. That's the pallu. Okay, full thread work woven. Very simple and elegant. 3,300 is the price. Okay, next we are going to see a few silk cotton sarees. Okay, as I told you, premium variety. 4,000. The saree that I'm going to show you is 4,200. It's a borderless saree in a teal shade, and it comes with a very rich and gorgeous pallu, and the body is silver zari woven. They all have designs very similar to soft silk sarees that we have been showcasing all these days. And so this one has beautiful tree and tree motifs in gold and in silver zari all over the body. That's the pallu. Comes with a very rich pallu, as I told you, and comes with a contrast blouse.
Deepa says nice color combination.
Thank you, Deepa. So this one is priced at 4,200. It's a very beautiful color shade. Okay, it will look exactly like a soft silk saree, and it is in premium silk cotton. Okay, the next one. This one is priced again at 4,200.
What is the pallu color?
Blue. That was blue, dark blue.
Shambhavi says nice saree.
Thank you. So this one is also a very beautiful color combination. A wine shade in gold zari, has square motifs in gold zari all over, and I think the motifs look very well in this color. It stands out really well. It comes with a tissue border on both sides. Comes with a very beautiful pallu and a contrast blouse. 4,200 is the price of this saree. How to maintain these sarees? Only do a dry wash. Okay, these sarees are only meant for dry wash. So you can. It's not a regular wear saree. It's occasional only. So this one is priced at 4,500.
Mila says that she wants to see a black saree.
I guess something is coming for you, Mila.
Yeah, next one is black.
Yeah. So it's very, very pretty color. Yellow. It's a mustard yellow. Has this beautiful mandala motifs, very intricately woven, designed. Priced at 4,500. Okay, that's the pallu. A very contrast rich pallu. Comes with a black blouse. Super in the saree. 4,500 is the price.
Deepa says in today's session all the colors are her favorite colors.
Yeah, all are bright, very pretty colors. Okay, somebody had asked for a black. Mila, this is for you. Again, 4,500, and it comes in a beautiful combo, which is a teal shade and a black. Okay, super combo. Again, no zari work, but fully thread work. So that's the sari. It comes with a contrast pallu.
Purnima says your hairstyle was very nice.
Hairstyle that's the blouse. Appude chumma thalaiya vaari potittu vandirken. Lara ku da theriyum. But anyway, thank you, Purnima. Okay, so we'll go to the next one. This one is priced at 4,200. So we saw one purple shade, right? It's similar, the design is similar, but that was borderless. It had a border, and this is borderless. Okay, it's in a mustard shade, mustard gold shade. No, only mustard. And it has square motifs all over. Comes with a contrast pallu and a contrast blouse. Green
Can
color
you
is
tell the
blouse.
price of the black one?
4,500 was the price of the black one, and this one is at 4,200.
Crystal Christopal says your smile is cute, Akka.
Thank you.
Priyanka says hello.
Hi Priyanka. Okay, so the next one, it's a borderless premium silk cotton variety, priced at 4,200. A beautiful sari, silk cotton sari, borderless style, soft silk style, and
What is the material?
silk cotton.
The previous one?
All are silk cotton. Whatever I am showing you today is all silk cotton sarees. So it's a beautiful shade of a royal blue with a contrast pink pallu and the blouse. Okay, 4,200.
Price of the black one is
4,500. Black was priced at 4,500. Okay, next one we also have one more sari at 4,500. It's a red with a green combo. Some rich looking sari. So
All of
Kaka
them are
with
silk cotton only, right, today?
all are silk cotton sarees. So you can see, right, it has beautiful paisley motifs on the border. Okay, so as you can see, and it is alternating in gold zari. It has green thread work and again gold zari. That's the pallu, rich and grand pallu, and comes with a blouse. 4,500 is the price. We just have a few more sarees, please hold on guys. The next one is priced at 4,200. A beautiful bottle green and gold. Super in the green shade. And that too, the gold makes it really look very, very pretty.
Sai Selvi says, treat to my eyes, very pretty collection.
Thank you, Sai Selvi. இந்த மாதிரி collection கொண்டு வந்து I think I'm making people more happy. So it's a green sari, very, very beautiful sari. That's the pallu. Blouse. Beautiful color. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு இந்த sari. A similar one in a blue shade. 4,200 again. With borders in the Getty zari borders இருந்தா ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும் silk cotton sarees, especially when it comes to silk cottons. Looks very elegant. Very beautiful saree. ரொம்ப simple, neat இருக்கும். That's the pallu. That's the blouse.
Crystal says the blouse which you are wearing is awesome.
Thank you. We only have 2 or 3 more sarees left. Okay, so this one is an ikat saree priced at 3,950. Beautiful saree.
Veena says nice combination.
Thank you. This one has fully pastel work, pastel colors. Full ikat work saree and all pastel colors on the body. Comes with a contrast border, contrast pallu and a contrast blouse.
Sneha says I'm in love with this color.
Super ana saree idu. Okay, the last one in the silk cotton series, priced at 3,950. Again a beautiful green, an apple sort of apple green solluvaanga andha maadhiri. with a blue combination.
Jesslyn says nice one.
Thank you, Jesslyn. Beautiful. The saree is also very pretty. That's the pallu blouse. Okay, 3950. Now for Mother's Day offer, we have two sarees, two silk sarees which we have kept on offer, and this saree is priced at 8,900. Okay, so when you're buying as a mother and daughter saree, like when you're buying two sarees of the same saree, you will get it at 12,000 rupees. Okay, buy two at 12,000 rupees. So
The other one also same color.
yeah, the other one is also same. It's a beautiful shade of aqua blue. Body is aqua blue. The border is in a silver grey. That's the pallu. Comes with the blouse. Contrast silver grey blouse, and the blouse has in the madri kuti kutiya silver zari work booties. So I'll tell you that the saree was priced at 8,900, but you can buy two at 12,000 rupees. That's the offer. Any queries, guys? If there are any queries, you can let us know. So as I told you, all of these sarees will be uploaded on our website very shortly. Please wait for that if you want to use a credit card or do a card payment. But otherwise, you can message us on our WhatsApp number to book the sarees.
Elizabeth says, how do you manage to get all these beautiful sarees during this pandemic? Just curious, and I'm a new follower.
Okay. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. Business has to continue. Anyways, it is getting shipped from our place, so we don't have a problem. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please stay safe and stay indoors. Wash your hands regularly and try and stay positive. Do not watch much of the news, because I think the news is very like whatever news that comes in is negative. So try spending more time with your family. Do what you love to do. Keep yourself busy, and I think the pandemic, we are going to get through all of this together. Okay, so stay safe. Have a good time. Bye bye.